About this pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 4x4. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.8-liter i4 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.